Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Dollar General and we are going to do the 5 off 25 scenario, or we're going to do a couple 5 off 25 scenarios for Saturday the 17th of October. I have a hard time with the dates sometimes, and I realize that I hardly ever say what the date is for the video, so it's probably not very helpful. But anyways, we're going to go inside. We're going to do 2 all digital scenarios so that anybody can do these. So yeah, let's go inside and see what we can do. So in the first transaction, we're going to grab a Palmolive. The Palmolives are normally priced at $3. They're not on sale or anything, but this is for the 32.5 ounce. And there's a $1 off digital coupon. So we're definitely going to grab this. And then we're going to grab a Tide Simply Pods. These are also $2.95 everyday normal price. And we're going to use the $2 off digital coupon for the Tide. It does work on the Tide Simply Clean and Fresh Pods, so I definitely wanted to grab that. Then we're going to go over here and we are going to grab some Gain Flings. We're going to grab the 10 ounce bottle. They are $6.95. Not on sale or anything again, but we do have a $2 off digital coupon. And I did scan everything just to be sure that every cent that I got did attach to the coupons that I was expecting to use. So then I'm going to grab some of these these Downy beads. Also have a $2 off coupon for these. And those are for $4.50, so that is a great price. So yeah, then next we're going to grab some Suavitel liquid fabric softener. This is a 44 ounce bottle for $3, and we have a 50 cents off digital coupon. So then we're going to grab one more item in our transaction, and it is going to be for the Airwick. The Airwick twin refills are for $5, and we have a $2 off digital coupon that I am going to use for this. And that is everything in this transaction. Then for the other transaction that I'm doing, I am going to grab another Palmolive just because it's such a good price. We rarely get $1 off coupons for Palmolive. So then I'm going to grab some Swiffer Duster, or a Swiffer Duster kit for $4.50. The kits are a lot cheaper than the refills. And then there is a $2 off digital coupon for this guy as well. And yeah, we already used some up. Next I was going to grab this guy right here. I was going to grab 2 of these, and my $3 off coupon was not attaching to this in the app. It does look like it is still working that way, but when I scanned it in the app this morning when I did this video, it wasn't attaching, so I skipped on this item. So then I went and I grabbed some Roto eye drops. They're on a price cut for $4. My store had 2 of them, and so I'm going to grab 2, of course. And we have a 7 off 2 digital coupon that we just got. So if you have more than one account, make sure you go into your accounts and clip all of those 7 off 2 digital coupons. Next, we're going to grab some Degree deodorant. The Degree deodorant for the shower clean is attaching to both coupons. And we have a $1.25 off digital coupon as well as a $1 off store coupon that will work for this item here. And we do have an instant savings for today is the last day, and it's $2 when you buy $8 worth. So since that deodorant is $5, I'm going to grab a men's solid deodorant. I'm going to grab this one right here. We have a $1.50 off digital coupon for this, and these are $4.35. So this is going to be $9.35 worth, so we'll automatically get that instant savings. Okay guys, so I'm back in from Dollar General and everything went great. Instant savings come off, all of my coupons come off. The totals that I had configured, which rarely ever happens, was exactly what I configured before I went into the store. So that was amazing. So I did 2 all digital transactions, no paper coupons. I didn't even bring paper coupons. I said, nope, you're just going to do digital. You're not going to mess with it. Everything's going to go great. So the first transaction I have to show you is more like laundry care, and then the other one is kind of like a hodgepodge of things. But anyways, I've been on a laundry, like a unstoppable beads type thing kick lately. So, yeah, I just wanted to show different options, I guess. I don't know. And anyways, these smell so good. But anyways, I got these Downy Fresh Protect beads. This isn't considered unstoppables, but these are the 5.7 ounces. These are $4.50. And then we have a $2 off digital coupon for this right here. It also includes the wrinkle guard and the regular Downy liquid. Then I got the Gain fireworks. These are 10 ounces, and this is the freshwater sparkle, so this one does work with the coupon. And we had a $2 off digital coupon for this right here. It also includes the big jug of Gain fabric softener. So this was $6.95, and then there was a $2 off coupon. I don't know if I said that part. Next, I got more fabric softener because I'm obsessed, I guess. But anyways, I got the Suavitel Complete, the 44 ounces. These are only $3. This stuff is just like Downy. So if you've never had this before or never used this before, I mean, definitely give this stuff a try, especially if you're couponing and you can get it cheap. But this is $3. We only had a 50-cent off coupon. There is another Suavitel coupon for the much bigger jug. You have to buy that and then you get some sheets for free. I don't think that's a very good deal personally, but that is another option. But I got this guy here, $3.50 off digital coupon. Next, I got the Tide Simply Pods. The Tide Simply Fresh Pods work with that. These are $2.95, and the $2 off regular Tide coupon attaches to that totally fine. Then I got the Airwick. This store didn't have any holiday Airwick. I wanted holiday Airwick. But anyways, I think there's something on my cheek too. But anyways, these are the twin Airwick refills. These are $5, and there is a $2 off digital coupon for this. There is also a $1 off one any Airwick product. So if you have both of those on your account, the $1 off coupon would come off instead. So there is that. And then I got the big Mama Jamma of the Palmolive. This is 32.5 ounces. It's only $3, which isn't actually that bad. But then we have a nice $1 off digital coupon. What is this? What's going on here? I don't know. So anyways, that is everything that I got in my first transaction. And so let's see here. So then that brought my total, or my total ended up being $10.90 for those items. I ended up saving $14.50, and I will show you my receipt here in just a second. So here is the first receipt. We have the Tide Simply, we have the Airwick, we have the Suavitel, the Gain Fireworks, the Downy Beads, and the Palmolive. And all the coupons came off totally fine. And then of course my 5 off 25 come off just fine. And there is the $10.90. So totally happy with that, because considering what I got. And then there's my savings of $14.50. The next transaction I did was just kind of a mixture of things. I wanted to just show you 2 transactions, and so I kind of just got stuff that I wanted to get, and it doesn't really have a theme to it. But the first thing I got was the Swiffer Dusters Starter Kit. It includes 1 handle and 5 dusters. I went to use these the other day, and I was like, I used the last one, and I'm like, oh my gosh, where have I been? So anyways, these are $4.50. We have a $2 off digital coupon. For quite some time, we've only had like a $1 off coupon, if that. And so maybe that's probably why I haven't been getting them. But anyways, and you can include these if it attaches. That's the other thing. I used to do all these Gain scenarios because everything attached to the Gain 5 off 25 or the 5 off of 20. And this is Gain. This has the Gain emblem right here. So I usually would include these in it because they're only $4.50, and there's usually a $2 off coupon. This is not. This right here is like this right here. Okay. Anyways, so there is that. And so, yep. So then I got another big Palmolive. I get the Palmolive Oxy whenever I can, because this stuff, it really is a power degreaser. They are not kidding with this stuff. I love it. And then of course it smells amazing. The next thing I did was the Degree. So I got 2 different degrees. So I got the degree, this is Motion Sense for men. It's a solid. This is $4.35. And we have a $1.50 off coupon for this. And then I got the degree dry spray shower clean, and this was $5. And then there's a $1.25 off coupon for this. There is also a store coupon for $1 off any degree product, so it would attach to either one of these. And then when you buy $8 worth, it does end today. When you buy $8 worth of Degree, Suave, Tresemme, you will get another $2 off. So this is a really great little scenario right here to add to your transaction today. So there is that. Then I just got a couple more things. So then I got 2 of the Roto eye drops, and these are on sale or marked down for $4 a piece. So that's $8. And then yesterday or the day before that, we got a 7 off of 2 digital coupon for this guy. So really, really happy about that. And so we also have other digital coupons for that. So you have to make sure, if you want this 7 off 2 to come off, sorry if you can't see my face very well. If the 7 off of 2 doesn't come off, it's most likely because you have a $3 off coupon on your account. If that's the case, just get 1. Don't bother, just get 1, because it'll still be $1 for this. But anyways, that's the thing with Dollar General. When you have other coupons, like we would get several of these at once, we usually get a $5 one, we get a $3 one, and sometimes we get a 7 off 2. If you have all of those clipped to your account, the lowest one will come off. So if you have the $3 off clipped to your account as well, just buy 1. So anyways, these are $8 for the 2 of them. We have a 7 off 2 digital coupon, which is massive. And then you will only pay $1 for both of these. And then I was getting to where I needed to get like another $2 or whatever worth of items. So then I just got the Pantene. The Pantene is $1.50 a piece, and these are $4.50. And then there's a 5 off 3 digital coupon. But anyways, you want to probably hear my total. My total for those items were $3.60. I saved $25.75, and let's look at the receipts. So here is the receipt for my second transaction. Here is the Degree Women's Dry Spray for $5. This has 3 store discounts on it because one is the, and I don't know which is which, but one is the 5 off 25. One is the instant savings, and then one is the store coupon, which there's the dollar store coupon. Here is the digital coupon there. So there's actually going to be 4 columns. Then we have the Roto eye drops, which they misspell Roto in their system. So if you go to dollargeneral.com to try to search to see which stores have them in your area, you have to spell it this way or it won't show up. But they're normally $5 and they're on sale for $4. And there's the 7 off 2 digital coupon. Then here is the Pantene. Then we have the Palmolive and the dollar coupon. Then here's the Degree for the men's. Here is the instant savings and the 5 off 25. And then we have the digital coupon that's $1.50. And then we have the Swiffer Duster for $2. And whoop, there is my total right there. Definitely will take that all day long. A savings of $25.75. And that is amazing, guys. So that is all I have for Dollar General this week. I hope it was helpful for you and everything like that. I had some issues in there because I went in there and I don't know when I was figuring my scenarios, but when I get in there, I realize I have the wrong coupons on the wrong account, and so it took longer because I had to sit in there or stand in there and try to decipher some things, but that is the name of the game, guys. So Be more prepared than me. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy the fall weather if you have fall weather where you are. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to stay safe out there, guys. Stay healthy and stay kind to one another. Bye, guys.